Hello everyone, this is Tawanda out of the OHIO, and I'm coming to you with something that I'm jacked out of my mind. I've been in hibernation for a couple years now, just really gave network marketing a rest because of just the bad comp plans and products that did not work, people that want to jump from opportunity to opportunity. But I have decided to actually join Lurralife and actually take a new zest on my life because my health is my wellness. And I've got a month's supply, and I want you to tune in. I'm going to keep you guys tuned in with my results. I have high blood pressure and diabetes, and I've been fighting it for quite some time. These products are supposed to actually support and stabilize and help with those elements, but I know the number one sickness in America today is lack of cash. And one of the things I like about Lurralife is that it has 7 ways to be paid. And if you're on your JOB, just over broke, you know that if you are not happy with the one way, then guess what? That's it. But here they have 7 ways to get paid. So if one way doesn't work for you, you have 6 more. So, if you're looking for an opportunity, an awesome opportunity, where you can actually, of course, take care of the illness of your pocketbook and your wallet, and also get good health along the way, and then share it with others, and they share it with others. And it's all about sharing and caring, and be able to actually, of course, take control of your time. That's what's important, is taking control of your time. Getting up when you're done sleeping. So, if you're looking for a great leader that want to dictate the pace, I will definitely be a leader. I will help you. I've been in this industry since 2004. Like I said, I made a decision to sit back and just, of course, not do network marketing, but I had to come out of hibernation when I seen Lurralife and their products and pretty much their awesome testimonies. So stay tuned, join me or watch me. It's up to you. There's people that either going to make something happen or wait for something to happen. If you're one of those that want to make something happen, jump on board. Take care. This is Tawanda from the OHIO.